Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. So a couple months ago, I was upstairs and I heard a loud sound and a loud crash. And I came into our closet and found out that our closet organizer had collapsed.
The plan was we were going to put up a new closet organizer, but instead of buying one and then just assembling it and putting it up, we decided to do a custom organizer and build one, kind of elaborate one, I think. Well, maybe not elaborate, but hopefully something that looks really nice, and put it up for ourselves. But while we were taking this down, Jennifer came up with a really good idea on how maybe we can repair the closet organizer that we had and maybe fix it up and give it to our daughter, who happens to have a closet with wire shelves that we all dislike so much. And so I thought, hey, that's a good idea. So it's just a real simple video today, but we're going to show you how we fixed those up, and they were given and installed over at our daughter's house, and they seem to be working quite well. So let's take a look at how we did this.
But before we get to the video, please leave us a comment and hit that like button. The comment helps our channel grow, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We begin by disassembling the old organizer and patching it up.
I attached a couple temporary legs so that I can paint both sides of the shelves at the same time.
Mr. Poorman applied 1 coat of primer and 4 coats of white semi-gloss paint.
In our previous video, we showed how we took down the wire shelves and repainted the closet.
And now it's just a simple matter of installing the organizer into its new home.
And here is how the restored organizer looks. As you can see, it was really a short and simple video, but well, we wanted to be able to show how you can take something that's a little bit old and give it a whole new life and make use of it once again instead of having to spend a bunch of money and buy brand new stuff. We have a whole bunch of new projects that are going on, to include rebuilding our closet itself. We've got a Murphy bed being built, and we're going to be working on installing some baseboards and a whole bunch of other things. So until we meet again, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.